Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to extract a particular value in a certain row, right? So in a certain column. So what's the intersection between the row 2 and the field price field, right? So the value is 6. But how do we get that value in Power Query? Now let's say we have a table, you loaded a table like that. You want to extract a particular value, right? Say this is on the price and on the second row, right? It could be a third row. So how to do that? Let's begin. So we go to the advanced editor and we can make use of an M language that's called record.field. Now in this document it says returns the values of the specific field in the record. So a record is different from a table because a record says that you you need a particular row. A row of value is a record. So I'm going to use I'm going to extract that. So I have to type this. I call it the second line price. Okay, so I use the record dot field, and here I need to tell Excel that I want specifically the second line, right? So, and it's from the source step. So I'm going to use the source step, but I know the source will give me a table, but I want only second the second item, right? The second item has an index of 1. It begins with 0, then 1. So I put it 1 here. Then after that, comma, I want something from the price column. So I type price. Okay, that's complete the step and I paste it here because I want to show this step, the value from this step. So as the final result. So that's completed. Click done and I got 6 as the single value. And that is how we get a single value, right? So and thanks for watching, right? So again, right, the record dot fields, right, a return of value. So it's really just return a value. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this make a difference to you.